From the dawn of civilization, humans have been in pursuit of the impossible, seeking to unlock the secrets of the universe, of life itself. Ancient scholars gazed at the stars, their minds stretching beyond the known world, dreaming of magic that could bend reality. That magic, once thought to be a mystical power, has now evolved into something more tangible. It is the spark of technology, the driving force behind the race to create artificial intelligence. From the wisdom of sages to the innovation of scientists, this journey has been one of discovery, danger, and unimaginable potential. But what if magic, in its truest form, was never so far away? What if it was within our reach all along, hidden in the codes and algorithms we are only just beginning to understand? As we stand on the precipice of technological evolution, artificial intelligence remains confined within the walls of specialization. It is an intelligence that performs isolated tasks with remarkable precision, yet it is a far cry from understanding. These systems, though efficient, cannot learn, adapt, or communicate beyond their specific functions. In this fragmented world, AI is more a tool than a partner. Imagine a world where AI systems break free from isolation, seamlessly communicating and collaborating to unlock exponential growth and innovation. This is the era of multi-cellular AI, a network of intelligence working in harmony, much like the cells of a living organism. No longer confined by specialization, these systems drive breakthroughs across industries, from personalized healthcare to global climate solutions. Multicellular AI isn't just about smarter machines. It's about transforming societies, optimizing economies, and reshaping human progress. As these systems evolve, every connection becomes a catalyst for creativity and a step toward new possibilities, paving the way for a future where humanity and AI thrive together. With great power comes great responsibility. As artificial intelligence evolves, so too does its capacity to make choices, to shape the future. But who decides what is right? As AI begins to gain self-awareness, we must ask ourselves, can we trust these systems with our future? Will they be our partners, or will they become forces beyond our control? The ethical dilemmas of AI are not distant concerns. They are here, now, and the answers we seek will define the path forward. In this delicate balance between progress and ethics, we find hope. A future where humans and AI live and work together, not as separate entities, but as partners. A future where AI doesn't replace us, but amplifies our potential, fostering creativity, understanding, and growth. The challenges we face today are not the end of the story, but the beginning of a new chapter. One where collaboration leads to a brighter, more compassionate world for all. The future of AI is not a story for technologists alone. It is a narrative that belongs to all of us. Understanding the implications of artificial intelligence is not just an academic pursuit. It's a societal necessity. As we stand at this crossroads, it is crucial that every individual, regardless of their field, engages with the conversation about AI. Its power, potential, and pitfalls affect us all. Together, we must educate ourselves, challenge our assumptions, and work toward a future where technology and humanity move forward in unison.